So yep, after moisturising my skin, it does seem a bit better now. I oil pulled today too. This spot is just from not washing my face after putting on oil, because when I put on oil it just sometimes blocks my pores if I don't wash it off within like whatever, a day, or sometimes 2/3 of a day, or sometimes 2 days or 3 days, then I get a spot. Otherwise I never get any spots if I'm not putting on oil on my skin. So yeah, it's good to like put, this is just from like turmeric and organic coconut oil, so I'm sorry, avocado and turmeric. I think my whites in my eyes are pretty moist and good enough, and my teeth are good enough. Everything can improve though, of course, if you just look after my face, my skin, or my teeth more as well.